Welcome back to my channel. My name is Akanksha and you're watching my channel Absolutely AK. So guys, today's video is all about, like you can see the title, it's all about festive, modest, budget friendly, pocket friendly, Myntra, Indian wear haul. Okay, I think I have said everything in this in the last 5 to 6 words. So basically we're doing a Myntra haul and it is all about festive Indian wear clothing. It is absolutely budget friendly, pocket friendly. There is no outfit here that goes beyond like 1200, 1500 bucks, and I think that is so reasonable because all the sales are up and about right now. So you should definitely make the most if you like something from here. Also, another thing, in today's video I have covered like a variety of clothes. I have like every color Indian wear. I have a yellow, pink, orange, purple, red, green, so you name it and I have it. Alright, so if you still haven't subscribed to my channel, please take a moment and like, share and subscribe to my channel, and it will mean the world to me if you can spread a word for me, because this is the first time I am doing a festive Indian wear haul, and your comments and your appreciation, your likes are definitely going to make me motivated to do more such hauls. So without any more delay, let's begin with the first outfit, and it is my absolute favorite, and that is this purple outfit. Okay, so this purple outfit is my favorite because I love the color. Can you just look at this color? It's absolutely amazing. I think it's complementing my skin tone so much. It has this beautiful embroidery going on in the neckline, and it also comes with a dupatta which also has like a little embroidery going on throughout the entire dupatta. It is also the stiff little material which is like thoda organza type material here, which is also quite nice. I think the entire set, the kurta set can be worn without a dupatta or with dupatta. I have paired it up with basically these contrasting powder blue earrings, which basically it's a contrast. I try to play around with the colors. I didn't want to go with the same monochromatic tone, so I've kind of tried to go with another set of color. And please do let me know if this entire look put together looks good or not. Put it in the comment box and let me know how you feel about it. Also, all the links to the different kurta sets have been put into the description box. I have put individual outfit links in the description box, and I have also I've also made this entire festive clothing category, for which the link has been put and pinned into the comments. Alright, let's move on to the next one, and that is this pink color outfit. And pink is everyone's favorite, so I thought why not pink. So pink, this extremely bright pink color outfit, which I think we call the fuchsia pink. I think this is fuchsia pink. So yeah, this fuchsia pink outfit. The entire kurta has this golden color embroidery going on, and there are these small, I think you call it booties. So these small little booties throughout the entire kurta. Since the kurta has all this golden work going on, the dupatta is kind of not so heavy. It has these golden color danglings at the bottom and a little bit of work going on as well at the bottom, but everything put together, this outfit looks so nice, and it's so lightweight, it's breathable, and I think it's a perfect choice for either a Diwali party or for your Karwa Chauth, which is also coming up. And in case you want to kind of uplift this entire outfit, you can go ahead and pair it with some heavy chunky jewelry. Like I have this beautiful golden set, and yeah, so you can play around with a lot of things in this particular outfit. Again, the links have been put into the description box and you can buy whatever you like. Let's move on to the next set, and that is this yellow color outfit. And if you know me, you know that I love anything yellow. So when I was looking out for outfits and I saw this yellow color outfit, I was like, okay, ye to lena hi hai. And that's the reason I got it. And this one, in fact, is a very, 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 very light outfit. If you will see, it basically has this work only on the neckline and nothing throughout the kurta set. But to kind of enhance it, we have this dupatta along with it, and this dupatta is gorgeous. I think it's a digitally printed dupatta, and it has this golden work going on across the dupatta, and it absolutely uplifts the outfit like, oh my god, you wear it and you're like, oh, this is like the most comfiest thing I'm wearing, and it also looks so pretty. So I think again this is a good buy for either a day function or for your Karwa Chauth puja, or even just like that if you want to wear something for your Karwa Chauth, you can, you know, probably invest in this. Alright, let's move on to the next one, and the next one is this red color outfit. Now this one I got keeping in mind that we have Navratri going on, and definitely I should have some kind of bandhani in my wardrobe. So I got this particular red color outfit which is in bandhani. It's a bandhani print, it's not a bandhani material, but it's a bandhani print, and it has this golden work going on across the neckline. And again, it's a very simple, lightweight outfit. The best part about this outfit is that it comes with this pant, and the pants do have a pocket, so which is a rarity because you don't really find pockets in any kind of Indian wear. So this one does have an outfit, this one has a pocket, and I really like that about it. It comes with a very delicate and very simple red color dupatta, but again I think if you want, you can kind of enhance it with chunky jewelry. Again, I feel like this is a good buy for Diwali, keeping in mind, Karwa Chauth, keeping in mind that you generally throughout the day want to wear something really light, festive yet light, and this is absolutely, you know, perfect for that. Alright, let's move on to the next one, and I absolutely love it's one of my favorites, and that is this green color outfit. Now this green color outfit basically is completely plain and simple. Okay, it's plain and simple, it has nothing on it, but it has this gorgeous dupatta. I mean, look at this dupatta. This dupatta is everything you want to buy this outfit for. Now, I don't personally have any dupatta which has these ancient figurines, you know, printed on it. Plus, it also has these mantras, like these Sanskrit mantras kind of printed on it, and it gives a very puja ethnic vibe. And that's the reason why I thought I should definitely buy this one. And I feel like even if you don't want to pair it up with this kurta, this particular dupatta can be paired with so many other colors. Like it can go with black, it can go with red, it can go with yellow, it can go with orange. So if you have like a statement piece at home, and you know, you're finding like a dupatta thing for it, I think this is something you should definitely go for. Alright, I did kind of pair it up with you know, these heavy jhumkis, so that, you know, it kind of uplifts the whole outfit. Alright, and the last outfit is this orange outfit that I am wearing, and I love it because it has this golden work going on the neck. It has this heavy dupatta. It is a printed bandhani dupatta with work going on across throughout the border of the dupatta, and I have paired it with these green color jhumkis in contrast, so that it kind of, you know, puts everything together, and it also adds a little element of color. So this also is very comfortable, lightweight, and perfect for your Diwali parties or Diwali outings. Now guys, this is it for this particular festive wear haul, and if you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. This is the first time I'm doing something like this. any kind words of encouragement or appreciation would mean the world to me. So please, please, please do comment in the comment box, and please, please, please do spread a word for me. All the links to the products are given in the description box as well as in the pinned comments, so please have a look. Also, there are so many hauls coming up your way, so stay tuned for the next haul very soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.